Hello and welcome to another wobbly camera guide video. In this video we're going to be making spiced carrot and lentil soup, and to do that we're going to need some milk, some olive oil, cumin seeds, chili flakes, red lentils and some vegetable stock. I've actually printed out the recipe this time so you can actually see the quantities there, so if you want to just stop your video and just write that down, then that makes life just that little bit easier. So the first thing we're going to need to do is grate the carrots. Can't do that one-handed, and I don't think you're really going to want to watch me just grating carrots, so I'll prep those first and then we'll get on with it and go to the next stage. Okay, so the first stage is to get the cumin seeds. I've just popped these in a little glass just to make it easier. I'm going to pop these into a dry pan and just put the heat on medium and just heat them up for about a minute. The idea is it just releases the aroma, and they really do smell nice once they get going, but be careful you don't burn them because it's very easy to do that. So once you've done those, what we'll do then, we'll just save half of them for later on and we'll retain half of them in the saucepan for use during cooking. Okay, so we're at the next stage now. We've grated out our carrots. There's approximately 600 grams of carrots there. We've got 2 vegetable stock cubes ready for water to be put on them, and we reserved half of our cumin seeds just in a little glass just for use later on. So now going to put in water into our jug. That's about 500 mils, and what I'm going to do is stir that, pop it in the saucepan, and then I'll put another 200 to 300 mils to go with that just to make up the volume. So I'll just let that settle for a bit and then we'll take it to the pan. Okay, so carrots are in the saucepan. I already added a little bit of the stock. I'm now going to put the rest of the stock on, so you can see the appropriate level. And then what I'm going to do is grab some chili flakes. So I like mine quite spicy, so I'm going to put quite a few chilies in. It's entirely up to yourself how spicy or not as you like it. And for those that are observant, you would have noticed I forgot to put the red lentils in. So here we go. There's approximately 140 grams of red split lentils. Again, let's stir those in. And then everything then will cook for about 10-12 minutes. Just check on it periodically. And then we'll go on to the final stage. Okay, as you can see, carrots, the lentils, chilies, the milk, etc. They're just simmering away nicely now. Just going to leave that for a few more minutes, and then we'll go to the final stage, which hopefully is going to make us some nice spicy carrot soup. Okay, as you can see now, the lentils and the carrots, they've all softened now, and we're now ready for the next stage, which is going to be the blending, the fun, messy stage. So let's give this a whirl. Always noisy, so apologies for that. Okay, this may just take a few more moments, so I'll do this and then I'll actually sort of show it pouring into the bowl. As you can see, it's all lovely and blended now. So we're on to the last stage. If you can see me above all this steam, is simply just to pour some of this out. So off we go into our bowl that we prepared and pour this out. Don't spill in too much. That wasn't bad. I'm usually pretty messy, that's pretty good for me. And then all we do is get a few of the dry cumin seeds that we heated up before, pop them on top, and there you go. Nice with some crusty bread, or as I've got in this case, some toast. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you on the next video.